Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a pre-foreclosure list on Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to find pre-foreclosures within a certain area. How do you actually go ahead and use Propwire to do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that if we enter a zip code here, so if we enter a zip code here, let's say in Oregon, the way to actually find a pre-foreclosure list is that you want to click on lead types, and then you want to scroll down to where it says pre-foreclosures. And if you don't know what a pre-foreclosure is, it's basically houses going through the foreclosure process. These homeowners are highly motivated to sell to get the bank off their back. So with that, you're going to click on pre-foreclosures, and you'll see that it's now narrowed down our search results to 8 results. So what you can do next is that you can actually select all of these results and then click on the export option. And you can either do a skip trace download or a download option. Now what a skip trace is that it's going to give you the contact information of the owners. So it's going to give you their email, phone number, and their social media profiles. But if you just want to go ahead and download it, you can just click on download and then download only. Now once you download this list, you have options to select the property, MLS listing, tax details, mortgage and financial details, and also foreclosure details as well. But you can see here that the list is being generated. So if we click on go to my activity, this is where you're going to find that downloaded property list. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a pre-foreclosure list on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.